Beneath a colossal emerald canopy that breathes mist into the sky, the last uncontacted peoples on Earth thrive in a world untouched by time. They hold secrets of survival so profound, they challenge the very foundations of modern science. This is not a story about the past, but a stunning revelation of human potential hidden in the deepest parts of our world. We will journey into a reality where the forest is a library, every plant a word, and every shadow a story waiting to be told. Prepare to witness a level of genius that our civilization has long forgotten, a testament to a different kind of science, a different way of being human. Deep within the Amazon's verdant labyrinth, tribal ethnobotanists possess a staggering pharmaceutical knowledge that rivals modern laboratories, meticulously identifying thousands of plant species by the faintest scent or the subtle texture of a leaf to create complex psychoactive and curative compounds. Furthermore, their preparation of these remedies involves sophisticated multi-step processes of boiling, fermenting, and combining specific barks and fungi, a chemical engineering feat passed down through millennia of oral tradition and rigorous empirical observation. In addition to their medicinal prowess, these forest chemists understand the ecological interplay of plant alkaloids and animal physiology with a precision that amazes field biologists, allowing them to craft everything from potent anesthetic darts to intricate fish-stunning toxins. Because of this profound connection, every expedition that has respectfully documented their practices, like those led by the legendary Richard Evans Schultz, returns with evidence of a botanical science so advanced it feels like discovering a lost library of Alexandria dedicated entirely to biochemistry. The architectural ingenuity displayed in their communal dwellings, known as shabonos or malokas, represents a masterful adaptation to the unforgiving jungle climate, utilizing interwoven saplings and layers of palm thatch to create massive, self-cooling structures that can house entire communities. Although built without a single metal nail or modern tool, these incredible organic cathedrals are engineered to withstand torrential downpours and intense solar radiation, with steeply pitched roofs that shed water instantly and porous walls that allow for constant, cooling airflow. The sheer scale of these constructions is breathtaking, with some spanning over 100 meters in diameter. Their internal space is organized according to complex social and cosmological maps that dictate family placement and ceremonial areas, all illuminated by dramatic shafts of sunlight piercing the smoky interior. Consequently, these homes are not mere shelters, but living, breathing organisms that are central to their social fabric, a testament to sustainable engineering that integrates community life with the natural rhythms of the rainforest, a concept modern green architecture strives to emulate. Hunters move through the dense undergrowth with a supernatural silence and an awareness that modern neuroscience is only beginning to understand. Their senses honed to perceive the subtle snap of a twig or the scent of an animal's passage from hundreds of feet away. Their use of impossibly long blowguns, crafted from specialized reeds and sealed with beeswax, is a marvel of physics and skill, allowing them to deliver small, poison-tipped darts with pinpoint accuracy to targets high in the canopy, a silent and efficient method that leaves the surrounding environment undisturbed. Anthropological studies suggest their tracking ability is a form of natural science, where they read the forest floor like a complex text, interpreting bent blades of grass and disturbed soil to reconstruct entire narratives of animal behavior with astonishing detail. This heightened sensory processing, combined with a deep, almost telepathic understanding of animal psychology, allows them to become a seamless part of the ecosystem, not just surviving within it, but participating in its intricate dance of predator and prey with profound respect and efficiency. Contrary to the outdated image of simple foragers, these Amazonian cultures were and are masters of environmental engineering, having created vast swaths of terra preta, or Amazonian dark earth, an incredibly fertile, man-made soil that transformed the naturally poor jungle floor into productive agricultural land. This rich, black soil, which archaeologists have found in extensive patches, is a sophisticated mixture of charcoal, pottery shards, and organic waste, indicating a deliberate, large-scale soil enrichment program that persisted for centuries and supported large, settled populations long before European contact. Furthermore, their agricultural practices involve a complex system of forest gardening, where they cultivate dozens of complementary crops within the existing forest structure, creating a resilient, biodiverse food system that mimics the natural ecosystem rather than destroying it. This ancient form of permaculture demonstrates a deep, scientific understanding of soil microbiology and sustainable land management that modern agronomists are now studying as a potential solution to global food insecurity, proving these primitive peoples were in fact pioneering innovators. The very fabric of their society is a technology for survival, where intricate kinship networks and elaborate oral traditions function as a distributed knowledge system, encoding millennia of ecological data, survival strategies, and ethical principles into myths, songs, and rituals. During mesmerizing nocturnal ceremonies, the flickering firelight illuminates the faces of elders as they chant epic sagas that serve as encyclopedias of ancestral wisdom, detailing everything from celestial navigation patterns for seasonal migrations to the precise locations of rare medicinal plants. This cultural software ensures that critical information is not just stored, but is constantly being rehearsed, debated, and transmitted to the next generation in a highly memorable and emotionally resonant format, creating a resilient social structure that can withstand environmental shocks. Therefore, their cosmology is not a collection of superstitions, but a functional operating system for living sustainably, a complex and beautiful mechanism for ensuring the continuity of their people and their world. What we are witnessing is not a fragile relic of a bygone era, but a powerful and living demonstration of an entirely different branch of human science, one based on millennia of direct observation, deep symbiosis, and holistic understanding. These tribes are not lost in the past. They are the gatekeepers of a forgotten future, holding a library of ecological and psychological knowledge that our data-driven world has tragically overlooked. Their existence challenges our definition of progress, forcing us to reconsider whether our own technological path is the only valid expression of human intelligence and ingenuity. We are now beginning to understand, as ethnographer Wade Davis states, that these other ways of knowing represent the full flowering of the human spirit, and their potential loss is a threat to our collective heritage. They are the living proof that humanity can thrive in perfect harmony with the planet. Their survival is a testament to a wisdom that we must now seek to understand, not as a curiosity, but as a vital lesson for our own. In their world, we may just find the key to saving ours.